It's about time somebody exposed Air Turks and Caicos, because the situation has happened to me a couple months back. And recently it happened again. I went and I spoke to Mr. Lyndon Gardner from Air Turks and Caicos along with his sister, and they promised to give me a phone call to explain to me what was the situation or how they're going to compensate me. I had my whole business that I traveled with Air Turks and Caicos from Providenciales to Jamaica. I was in Jamaica for 4 weeks and I haven't received a piece of luggage. Air Turks and Caicos had me up and down from Ocho Rios into Kingstown every time their flight land looking for my luggage. I called Air Turks and Caicos on numerous amount of occasions and I've never got a response.
This irate resident is not the only one with delayed baggage for more than 48 hours. These travelers who flew from Haiti to Providenciales on Friday were outraged that up to Sunday morning when they arrived to the airport after numerous checks, their luggage was still not in the country. With no clothes to wear, limited money to even purchase new ones, and their valuables and necessities packed in the lost luggage, they said they are fed up because of the responses given from local airline carrier Air Turks and Caicos. That's because they haven't given them any.
I come every day, every morning in the airport, but when I come in, but the people work in the skanking say my bag coming. When I come in, I never see my bag. I come in today, I never see my bag. The people working in the skanking cuffs with me, but I don't know what happened, but I just talk too much. When I come in later or tomorrow, if I don't find my bag, I make too much problem. That's my problem.
I come in Friday on the island. I put some money for some people. I got one bag. Somebody said, tell me, give me $50. I got no clothes, nothing. I went 80. Everything somebody tell me, come in on the airport and check on the airport. Everything I paid jitney come in, nobody no tell me nothing. Today, somebody supposed to give me one bag.
As the rage became more detectable on their faces during the interview, police officers were called to give assistance at the Providenciales International Airport as the customers with outstanding baggage were becoming boisterous and explicit, occasionally yelling in Creole. One bystander even told News 4 that it seemed as if a riot was about to ensue from the commotion. Press Relations Officer for Air Turks and Caicos, Eleanor Finfin, in an interview with News 4, said that the passengers on Sunday received their luggage and the company made every effort to ensure it was done.
Air Turks and Caicos can confirm that measures were taken on in immediate effect in order to rectify the problem. We can also confirm that an additional flight was sent to Haiti, an additional baggage flight, in order to retrieve those bags, and passengers were able to collect their bags the same day.
Finfin said that the baggage problems branch from the practice in some markets, including Haiti, where passengers travel with more than the maximum allowable baggage allowance. She noted that it has been the airline's priority to load perishables first, as the carrier does not have suitable storage available at that location. This means that bags are likely to be left behind, and additional flights incorporated into the planned schedule to accommodate those.
We're in discussion with our ground handlers in Cape Haitian Haiti to come up with the best possible solution for our customers in the long run. In the interim, we are suspending all cargo exportation out of Cape Haitian Haiti to Providenciales.
But this solution still wasn't swift enough for the passengers that needed their belongings upon their arrival. Chrissy Pratt, who supported the disappointed customers since she recently faced a similar situation with the company, said that there has to be another way.
I don't find my pawn. I don't find any. No. Yeah. Everything, but I get problem. I don't have money for I can buy some next one. But I want all people work in the inter-island give me my bag quick.
After I received my luggage 3 weeks ago from November, I told them that I needed my luggage to do a show that I was having in South Caicos. Coming on the airport here, I met my luggage sitting on Providenciales Airport with no attendants. I grabbed my suitcases and I left. We have to have other choices here in this country.
For WIV4 News, I'm Nikira John.